Understanding, on Cloud 7, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, on Cloud 7. This is a lesser-known variant of a more popular idiom, and understanding it can really add some flair to your English conversations. You might be more familiar with the phrase, on cloud 9, which is widely used to describe a state of extreme happiness or euphoria. Interestingly, on cloud 7 carries a similar meaning but is less intense. It refers to being very happy or content, but not necessarily to the extreme degree implied by on cloud 9. The exact origins of on cloud 7 are a bit murky. It seems to be a variation of on cloud 9, which is believed to have originated from the weather system classification used by the United States Weather Bureau in the 1950s, where cloud types were numbered, and cloud 9 was considered high enough to be out of sight and therefore euphorically disconnected from the world. Using on cloud 7 in conversation can add a touch of uniqueness to your expressions. For example, after getting his dream job, John was on cloud 7 for weeks. Seeing her grandparents after so long put Maria on cloud 7. Remember, this phrase is best used in informal contexts and can add a playful element to your storytelling. It's important not to confuse on cloud 7 with on cloud 9, as they convey different intensities of happiness. Also, be aware that on cloud 7 is less common and might not be recognized by all English speakers. We hope this video has made you on cloud 7 with your new understanding of this charming English idiom. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to sprinkle your conversations with these colorful expressions. Until next time, happy learning!